excuse me. I'm going to take a picture.
You have to get Gavin on
And then pretty soon, Bjorn is coming. Pretty soon, Bjorn and Inga are coming. Oh, wait, I got
Oh, brother.
Well, we're creating a block here.
Very nicely done. That's a cool bike.
Okay, no.
The bike?
No, I want to do
Wow.
nice.
Oh, boy.
Yeah. He just got that for Christmas, you know.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, yep. He learned in about 5 or 6 hours of dedicated practice. Not all in one day, but...
Yeah.
He did.
Yeah.
Did he like it?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
You wanna try?
I took him to a unicycling club.
I don't think my legs could get up to my chin that way.
Daddy, show her. Show her how you
Okay.
do it.
Okay.
Lila wants to ride it first.
No, I don't
Can Lila do it?
Not by herself.
Cause she does training though. First it was Daddy, but then he gave it to me.
Hey, where do you find something like that? Whoa!
Sorry, lifting you up there.
Daddy,
Insane.
This mount, that's a
Daddy, I want to see you ride it again. Because big person put their knees like this out, but little kids do it in because they have smaller knees.
Okay, let me
The
just
big
see.
person do
Let me
like
just see once. I don't know if I can.
The toughest part is getting your feet on the pedals,
I see that.
you know, because everything's so miniature.
Oh, dear.
Here, I'll stand back, we'll get a picture of this. Photo op. Photo bomber.
Oh man.
Yeah, the hardest
My
part is
legs-
getting going.
Oh, dear.
And this driveway is a bit bumpy for it as well.
It is.
You know, if you were on a gym floor, you could do it. No shock.
Yeah,
no
it's
shock.
terribly bumpy.
Yeah, there's
It
no
makes-
shocks to this thing.
No, it makes for.
Mary tried.
It
She gave it a
makes
go.
for a
but
ride.
That's the hard part.
See?
These brakes don't work, so watch out.
You gotta push it.
Oh, I don't need a push.
Hey, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! How in the world can he do it?
It gives very good exercise, he says.
How?
See, I told you big person put
Hey, Mom, you want to try riding it?
No.
Oh yeah.
You want to sit on it? No.
Oh, dear.
I'm doing it the big person way. I'm doing it the big
That's
person
how,
way.
yeah, you practice when you're big. That's how you have to do it.
Did you?
Red Eagle.
I can't. That's it. I can't get my foot up there.
Try it again. Are you supposed to sit down when you ride it, or can you stand?
Oh, that's it. And then Gunnar says, oh yeah, when adults do it, they go like this. And their knees stuck out. His are like here.
Oh.